Monopoly L.O.L. Surprise, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Shuffle the surprise cards and place them face down on the board. Properties are now called dolls and pets. Colored sets are called clubs. When you land on the surprise space, draw the top card of the surprise deck and do what it says. Then return the card to the bottom of the deck. If you land on roll again, roll the die and move again. If you land on attack space, pay the amount indicated on the space. Since there is only one die, to get out of jail by rolling, you need to only roll a 6. Instead of houses and hotels, you use stars and emojis. These are called badges. You cannot sell or trade badges. The last person remaining in the game wins.